Hi, and welcome to Viessmann's Academy Training Lab. Today we're going to look how to retrieve the last top 10 faults or faults on your code history on the B1KA 100 Vito dens. It's a very simple, easy, quick thing. Sometimes the homeowner might press the reset button before you get there. We might not know what the fault is when we get there, so there's a quick, easy way to check. So all we're going to do is grab our stylus pen, if you have one. I use a stylus because my fingers sometimes wander to the wrong buttons. So we're going to start by hitting the mode button until configuration is flashing down here on the bottom. So we're going to do that by hitting the arrows. And now you can see confi is flashing. Once that's flashing there, we're going to hit OK. And now we're into password mode or programming. So we're going to go up to password for this one here is number 10. Once we get to 10, make sure you hit OK. And now we're at our fault history. And as you can see, our fault history, starting with the fault number 1, is the newest fault, is a 38. If we go up with our up arrow, we can now see that we've had an OB fault. And a lot of these faults, we do have videos that you can go watch to see how to fix those type of faults. And these could have been prior faults that nobody cleared before they left. And our last one here, we have another one, an F2 fault. And that seems to be all the faults we have on this boiler. So a lot of times when we're in training, I tell people, make sure before you leave, after you fix the problem, go in there and make sure that all your fault history has been cleared. That way for the next person that comes on the job, they don't see these faults, because with this boiler here, you don't see the time and date that it happened like you would on our 200. So all we're going to do on this boiler here is we're going to press and hold the R button. And you'll see all the faults clear. We go to number 1, as you can see here, we have 0, 0. So now we know all our faults have been cleared. So we fix the problem. We go in here, clear your faults, especially after your new installs, because sometimes we create a bunch of different faults. Like that OB is a flow issue, or it could be that had air in on a new installation, but they never went back and cleared the fault on the boiler. So make sure now that all the faults are cleared before you left, you fixed the problem. We start with a clean, fresh page. We just back out of here and go to main screen. So now we're back to the main screen. You can see that our boiler water temperature is about 122 here, and our outdoor temperature for today is 70 degrees. This concludes how to retrieve your last top 10 faults and how to clear them. Thanks for joining us here at the Viessmann Academy Training Lab. Hope to see you here soon enough to create your own faults and fix them yourself. Have a great day.